Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a great Wednesday. It got really nice and warm out yesterday, and I hope you were able to enjoy the weather. I'm going to go through what you are going to do today. Today for math, you're going to compare figures. So you're going to be comparing either two-dimensional figures or three-dimensional figures. And I want to know things like, how are their sides similar or different? Vertices, faces, edges. So you need to think about what you learned about. Are you going to be talking about faces with two-dimensional shapes, or are you going to be talking about faces with three-dimensional shapes? So I don't want to know colors. I know, like, for number 4, hexagon is yellow and the rectangle is orange, but that's not what I want to know. I want to know how they are different with the way that they're formed. For science today, if you're able to, listen to the Gail Gibbons book, From Seed to Plant. There's a link in the learning packet for you to watch. We're going to start talking more about the different parts of a plant. You'll fill in a diagram later this week that shows the different parts of the plant. And so this is a great book full of plant facts for you to learn about. In reading, you're going to read the story, Stirring Up Memories. Now, this is the author of Mice and Beans, which you read last week. So this is a non-fiction story. What you're going to do is you're going to read through it, and then you're going to complete the worksheet with the facts and conclusion. So you're going to figure out, well, why is she telling us the story of Stirring Up Memories? You're going to come up with your conclusion, and then there will be facts to prove your conclusion. Phonics, you're going to do some more work with your syllaboards today. Keep practicing those suffixes. For grammar, you actually have 2 grammar pages to do today because they have to do with the same thing, and they're pretty easy in the sense you don't have a lot of writing to do. So what you're going to have to decide is when you use the word a or and when you're going to use the word an. When you use the word an, it is before a word that begins with a vowel sound. So like elephant, ant, eggplant, an eggplant, an ant, an elephant. So a lot of it is just paying attention to what word comes next. Spelling, Super Speller Week 23, you're so close. We're almost done with all of our spelling for the year. And for Bible, keep practicing that Bible memory, Psalm 23. You're going to read the story of Saul's conversion. So we've talked about Saul, and today his name changes. I hope you have a wonderful Thursday.